Today, we're diving into the art of making fluffy pancakes with baking powder. To whip up these delightful treats, gather your all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Preheat your pan on medium heat before pouring in that batter for the perfect golden brown finish. Get ready to savor every fluffy bite of these pancakes that are sure to make your taste buds dance with joy. Let's get cooking.
Pouring pancake batter like a pro? Use a ladle or measuring cup for perfect 1/4 cup portions. Want those fluffy pancakes? Baking powder is the secret. Remember, don't overmix the batter. Just combine gently. And here's the kicker. Let that batter rest for a few minutes before cooking for the fluffiest pancakes ever. Trust me, it's worth the wait.
All right, let's make some fluffy pancakes. First, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In another bowl, mix milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Gently whisk wet ingredients into dry ones. Remember, don't overmix. Now, pour 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the pan. Easy, right? Enjoy your delicious fluffy pancakes.
Ready to master the art of fluffy pancakes? Step 1. Heat up that pan until it's sizzling hot. Step 2. A light grease with butter or oil ensures no sticking. Step 3. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden perfection. And voila! Top with maple syrup, berries, or whipped cream for a heavenly experience. Dive into your fluffy creation and savor every bite. Fluffy pancakes, here we come.